Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your own channel. This is a very beautiful video for you. Today I'm going to tell you about the crochet airpod. This is a very interesting video for all the youngsters. This is the basic need for all of us. There is nothing worse than getting a new AirPods and dropping them as soon as they leave the box. Suddenly their shine is dulled and you notice a strange sound when you close the lid. AirPods don't come cheap and keeping them in mint condition feels near impossible. This is why AirPod covers are must. Great AirPod covers need a protect and outer shine and inner tech working for your AirPods. AirPods are made of lots of little delicate parts. It's important that case covers are properly put on to give your AirPods case the best protection. Now you just need to figure out how to put on AirPod case on. Like anything new, it can be confusing. Our short guide will tell you how to put your AirPod case covers on and keep your new AirPods ready for everyday use. Here are some beautiful color patterns for you. Now the thing is how to put an AirPod case on. The first step is that close your AirPod case and give it a quick wipe down with a cloth. This is a good way to stop friction in the case from causing scratches on your AirPods. The next is slide the bottom half of the AirPod, or there is no need to turn off your AirPods to put on the case cover. Slide the bottom half of the case cover onto your AirPods, or make sure that the logo faces the front and gently push up until the bottom half is aligned with the edge. The next step you can do is put the top part onto the lid. First to top part onto the lid, make sure to put in facing the right way. This will differ with different AirPods and different cases. A general rule of thumb is to see where the print lines make sure to face it the right way. This will differ with different AirPods and different cases. A general rule of thumb is to see where the print lines up and align the part of open your joint of your AirPods. Let's press top and bottom together.